my plain Janes, and welcome back to my channel. So yes, we are in part 2 of this nail set. So originally I had done the press on nails for this chocolate smile video, and now we're gonna do some toes. We're gonna do some toes because what's wrong with a matching set, you know? So the same tools and supplies we used in the last video in part 1 is gonna be used in part 2. We have our foil, we have model 1003 classical nude polish, plus our base coat with beetles, Yayo 1312, that's our milky white, our tweezers, and our detail brush. What is not being seen here is the model 1's 0944 brown, but you're gonna see later. Without further ado, let's get this video started. Yay! We already know the steps. Like in part 1, we're going to buff off that shine off these little toesies, and we're going to go in with our electric filer as well as our nail block to smooth out that foundation. Then we're going to go in with our nail primer by Model 1's, and then our base coat. And then following our base coat that we cure for 60 seconds, we're going to go in with that nude color classical for the first coat, and then cure, and then add our second coat. As you will notice, I will probably not say much about this video because we're just doing the same thing that we did with our fingertips. We're going to do with our toes. Same supplies, same routine, same deal. So let's get into these smile lines here for the toes. So I will say that doing a smile line for the toe is different. It is very different. Same concept, but you're working with a wider palette for lack of a better term, you're working with, you know, more space to create that line. So I did the best that I could. I did the best that I could. I don't think they're as bad, but I was just trying to apply the same techniques that I did in part 1. But yeah, you have to utilize, you have to be aware of the space that you have on the nail. So if the nail is wider, you're gonna have to utilize that space. And then that's me cleaning up, because of course I'm trying to perfect it. Even if I'm not perfecting it, at least I'm practicing the line. But yeah, smile lines, man. That was the word of the day last video. It's still the same word, smile line. But yeah, so we're gonna go in with that brown to create our smile line on our little toesies, and then we're gonna cure for 60 seconds and then reapply that brown color with the actual brush from the gel from Model 1s, instead of using our detail brush, just to fill in and make it a little darker. So now we're going to apply our milky white for that magic, for that color to turn a lighter nude there. And if I'm going to be completely honest, I had forgot to put it on the whole nail because I was so focused on these damn smile lines. But not to worry, because we are doing it now, and we're just going to put this on the beige color to change that color. Now again, this could also be considered another technique or another way to apply this to get that look. Instead of just putting all over the nail, just put it on that portion, or you could just do like I did in the first part of the video with our fingernails and put it all over and then apply your smile line. And then now we're going to add that foil, and we want to break those foils up into little bitty pieces to cover that smile line up. Give that Rochelle look. That's what this reminds me of, the Rochelle. Now if you know Rochelle, you know it comes in a gold and brown packaging, that gold foil. Ooh, now I'm hungry. But anyway, I digress. We're gonna add that foil on there. Make sure it is flat as possible so we can apply our top coat to our little toes. Now let's apply that top coat to just melt everything together. And this is the finished look, guys. Look at your little gold toes, little chocolatey toes, little new toes. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Now you have a matching set. You got your nails done, you got your feet done, you get to go to brunch, a date night, movie night, whatever have you. I really do think this is a simple and cute, fancy but not so fancy set that you can wear out anywhere. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, follow, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like me to do more sets like this, let me know. I really enjoy doing these nail sets. But until next time, bye.